Let's create a sticky navbar in WordPress using the full site editor. So we'll head to the back end of our site, going to Appearance, Themes, go to Customize. I'm using the 2025 default WordPress Gutenberg theme. Hit Customize. If you scroll and see, it's not sticky. The navbar remains fixed on top. So I'm going to Templates. So the templates are what govern the general layout of your WordPress website. So I created a custom template. So that's the one that I will be editing. But by default, you'll likely have the Pages template. So I'm going to my main template, but the process is the same regardless. What you're looking for is the header. So again, if we scroll, nothing. It's not sticky. If we hit the ellipses on the header and click Group, so it's going to create a group around our header. I'm going to rename this group to sticky just for identification purposes. Save it. If you notice, now our navbar has basically gotten a lot narrower. So we're going to select our sticky and make sure inner blocks use content width is deselected. Sorry, just turned on my mouse tool. Make sure it's deselected. So now you can see the navbar has opened up again. And we're going to go to position, change default to sticky. And as you can see, now there's our navbar, but it's also transparent, right? We can see all the content in the back coming forward. So what we'll do is open up our header, select that first group, and we will give it a background color. So we're going to come to the Styles tab on the right, select background, select your background color. This is the color that matches my hero for my design. And then I save it. And now when I scroll, sticky nav. If I come to my front end, no sticky nav. Then if I refresh the page, sticky nav. And there you have it. Nice and simple. This is Karen, KHDEVTT for all things web, software, and career. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.